Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo, and I am ready to practice new sounds.
Great, Nexo. Today we will practice the sound oo with clear words and short phrases.
Nice. I will listen carefully and repeat with energy.
Before we start, let me show you the structure of the lesson.
Perfect. I like knowing what comes next.
First part, words. We will hear and repeat useful words with the sound oo. Second part, phrases. We will hear short phrases so the sound feels natural in English. Remember, the goal is not speed. The goal is clear listening and clear pronunciation.
Got it. Slow, clear, and confident.
Excellent. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Book. Book. Foot. Foot. Cook. Cook. Cookie. Cookie. Wood. Wood. Wool. Wool. Hook. Hook. Hood. Hood. Bush. Bush. Cushion. Cushion. Bull. Bull. Wolf. Wolf. Woman. Woman. Sugar. Sugar. Pudding. Pudding. Football. Football. Notebook. Notebook. Brook. Brook. Phrases.
Great job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I can feel the sound better now. The words helped a lot.
Now, in the phrases part, your goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
Book. Book.
The book is red. The book is red. Foot. Foot.
My foot is wet. My foot is wet. Cook. Cook. The cook has a pan. The cook has a pan. Cookie. Cookie. A cookie is on the plate. A cookie is on the plate. Wood. Wood. The wood is dry. The wood is dry. Wool. Wool. The wool is soft. The wool is soft. Hook. Hook. A hook is on the wall. A hook is on the wall. Hood. Hood. The hood is black. The hood is black. Bush. Bush. A bush is by the door. A bush is by the door. Cushion. Cushion. The cushion is blue. The cushion is blue. Bull. Bull. A bull is in the field. A bull is in the field. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf is gray. The wolf is gray. Woman. Woman. The woman has a bag. The woman has a bag. Sugar. Sugar. The sugar is in a bowl. The sugar is in a bowl. Pudding. Pudding. The pudding is cold. The pudding is cold. Football. Football. The football is on the grass. The football is on the grass. Notebook. Notebook. The notebook is yellow. The notebook is yellow. Brook. Brook. A brook is near the tree. A brook is near the tree.
Good job. You finished the class and practiced the OO sound very well.
Yes, I listened, repeated, and stayed focused. That was fun.
Excellent work, Nexo, and excellent work to you too. See you in the next class.